Assalamu alaikum class. Today I'm going to discuss with you guys worksheet 2. There are two tasks in worksheet 2. Number one is revise the following extract from a letter, removing the complexity because of the use of difficult vocabulary. This means that we have to actually replace difficult words with easier words, so the text would be less complex. I have already highlighted difficult words in red. Now let's try to think of a simpler replacement, right? Okay. According to Mr. Peter, the discount was 20% on the aggregate bill. Now here, according to, we can say that we can replace according to with Mr. Peter said, right? Okay, that the discount was 20% on the aggregate bill. So aggregate could be replaced with total. So Mr. Peter said that the discount was 20% on the total bill. All right. He wants to ascertain, he wants to make sure if the mistake was deliberately done. Soon the meeting will begin to discuss the matter. The customer is not the cognizant of the fact. Customer is not aware, right, of the fact that is not aware that he was not giving the full, that he was not given the full discount. You can see over here that sad, according to, has been replaced with sad. Discount was 20% on the total bill. A certain aggregate has been replaced with total. He wants to make sure. Here, a certain has been replaced with make sure. And cognizant of the fact, no, the sorry, I missed out this one. Comments has been replaced with taken. And the customer not aware. This aware has taken place of cognizant of the fact. This means that in our revision we are using simple words, simpler words, right? Okay, alternatives for the difficult one, for the complex one, to reduce the complexity of our text. We'll continue with the same. That he was not given a full discount. The meeting has been called to cogitate. Now the meeting has been called to about the way to think of or think about the ways to communicate him that an error was made in the bill in respect of the given discount, and the rest will remain the same. There is no change. The students, you just need to, if you're asked to reduce the complexity of a particular text or of the given text, in that case you just underline the words which are really difficult and which are adding to the complexity of the text, and then try to replace them with simpler, or a simpler alternative, right? Is that clear? All right, that's done. Revise the following message to remove redundancy. Now here in this task, they want us to remove redundancy. Now what is redundancy? Use of extra words, extra sentences, the words which are not required, not adding to any meaning. Now let's see. I wish to tell you that I would like to avail myself to the opportunity. So you don't need to say that I wish to tell you that. So you can remove it, right? So in my revision, what am I doing? I would start with this. I would like to avail myself to the opportunity to participate. So I would simply say I would like to participate instead of I wish to tell you that I would like this. This whole thing is redundant. So this should be removed. So this whole thing should be removed, right? Okay. To participate in the upcoming competition, in the upcoming competition. Okay, fine. I wish to call your attention to that. I have won many extempore speeches. So the writer wants to say that actually the writer has won many extempore speech competitions. So he doesn't need to use this word. This is not adding to any sort of information, right? So if we remove this one, this is again the problematic. Bring it in purple, right? So because I'm removing it, okay. So I can say that I have won many extempore extempore competition, speech competitions. Competitions. Right? The deadline to fill out the form to participate in the competition has lapsed. Therefore, I solicit your the deadline to fill out the form to participate, okay, in the competition has lapsed. Therefore, I solicit your kind indulgence to permit me to participate in the event. Now, I solicit your kind indulgence. That means like you want the reader's permission basically. So let's put it in a simple way, this in a simple manner, and that is the deadline. This would remain the same, the deadline thing. So I'm just copying it, right? There's no change here. So I've copied it over here, the same. Okay, and now I will write here, I want your permission to participate in that event. So I want your permission to participate in the event. Now, see, when you actually have removed the redundant, sentences, redundant information, phrases, right? So you've been able to get conciseness in your message. Now it flows better and it saves readers time also. So this is one proposed solution for activity 2. Oh, there is one more activity. I think in the beginning I said there are 2 tasks, but actually there are 3 tasks. So please note it down somewhere. Okay, now here we got to use non-discriminatory terms, and I've already done it for you guys. For example, instead of housewife, because housewife actually is limited to women only, so it seems like women are being discriminated, right? Okay, so instead of home wife, we can use homemaker. Instead of spokesman, we can use a spokesperson, because a spokesman is uh, actually it's the term which discriminates against women, right? Same way, mailman, same goes for fireman. So for mailman, you can have male career, and for fireman, you can have firefighter, right, class? So I hope that do you understand everything, right? And you're getting it. So please, if you have any question about this worksheet, you can ask me during my online classes, or you can write me about it, right? Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Stay home. Love is.